Welcome to our lesson 12. In the previous lesson, we had just looked at the examples of three-dimensional shapes. So we are continuing with those three-dimensional shapes or three-dimensional figures. And here we are going to look at part C of a solid figure. Part C of a solid figure. And we are beginning with a cuboid. Here is a box of chalk, and this is our cuboid. Here we are naming of vertex, face and edge. On this box here, what we call vertex is these corners. This corner. That's why I'm pointing this and this corner here. This corner here is what we call vertex. Then we have this part here. When I put my box like this is the part we are meaning. This part here is called the face. There are very many. This one, this one, this one, this. It is called face. This part here, it can be this part, can be that part. So even this part is called the face. This part is our face. This part is our face. Then we also have what we call edge. Edge. Edge is this part here. This one here is what we call edge. This part is the edge. So this is the vertex. This one, face. This part, the edge. This is the edge. Then let's look at also the part of a cylinder. This is our cylinder, and on our cylinder we don't have there the vertex, so we have only the face. So this one here is the face, even this one is the face. So here, this is the face here I've shown here. This part here is this one. It is there are two. This one here and behind here. Top and bottom, they are the faces. Then the edge is this part here, this going around here. This part here is the edge. Even this one. Even this one here is the edge. Then we have this part here. This part here is called a curved surface. This one here is a curved surface. Then lastly, a cone. A cone. Also, a cone here we have this part up. Let me turn mine here. This a cone. This one is a cone. So a cone, we have this part here. This one here on top is called the vertex. Here. Then you have the face. This part here is the face. This one is the face. Also we have the edge. This part here surrounding here is the edge. Then this one takes us to counting the number of vertices, edges and faces on our solid figures here. I've got only three. We are going to look at a cylinder, the cuboid and the cone. Now I've started with a cuboid. A cuboid and a tube, they have the same number of vertices, the same number of edges, the same number of faces. So here we are. This one is a cuboid. And I'm saying a cuboid, they have the same features. Only that a tube has all sides equal, but this one doesn't have all sides equal. But when it comes to number of vertices, number of faces, and number of edges, they are the same. Therefore, here we are talking of now vertices. Vertices are these corners. The corners here, they are the so-called vertices. When it is one, it's called the vertex. But when there are very many, they are called the vertices. Now here we are going to be counting them. Now let's begin with the vertices on a cuboid or a tube. Here we are. This one is 1, This one is 2, 3, 4. Then you turn this side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 80 vertices here. 80 vertices. Then edges. Edges are these parts here. Here. So let's count the number of edges. Edges, here it just count with this part. This is it. Let me begin with the top one. This is it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges. Let's repeat for the last time round. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I beg your pardon. Let's repeat. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12. So there are 12 faces. 12 edges. This one is here. Now we are coming to faces. Faces are sides. Faces are sides. We are just going to count the number of sides on this box. Let's begin with the top one. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 faces. Let's repeat for the last time. This one is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 faces on this box on a cuboid. Then let's go to a cylinder. A cylinder is this one. This is a cylinder. And now we are beginning with the faces. On this cylinder, we have the top part and the bottom, the faces. So there are 2 faces. 2 faces. Edges. It is this one here, surrounding, and this down one here. Also there are 2 edges. This one and this one. Also here there are 2 edges. Then vertices. On this cylinder, we don't have any vertex. So here we have 0 vertex. Then a cone. When we make our cone like this one, faces we shall have only one. This part here, it is only one face here. Edges also it is also one here. This is one edge. And the vertices, it has only one, this top one. So this one has 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Then that one takes us to part C. We make up these figures we are talking about. The parts we make up these figures. They are called, building a net. A net is a figure. A net of a figure are the parts that make up that figure. When we say a net, we are meaning the parts we make up a certain figure. When we say a net of a cuboid, we are meaning the parts we make up a cuboid. So here are the parts. This one here. When we dismantle, it means we are dismantling this like this. This is a part. I dismantle also like this. This is a part. This one is a part. I dismantle this one like this. This one is also a part. I dismantle this one like this. This one is also a part. Now, let's count these parts. This is one part, two parts, three parts, four parts, five parts, and the last one here is this one here, which makes the bottom. Here to make them 6 parts. So when we talk of a net, these are the things we are meaning. These ones here have dismantled now. So we are talking of building a net, meaning they have given you parts of this nature. Then you after being given these parts, then you correct them. When you correct them, you begin packing them until you come up with that figure. Those are the parts of a figure. That's what we call nets. A net of a figure. They are the parts which form that figure. When we talk of a net of like that, this one, I've just drawn the nets. Like now, this one is a net of a tube. These parts here, they are showing that all sides are equal. All sides are equal. This one here. So this one is a net of a tube. A net of a tube. Then this one here is a net of a cuboid. These are the nets. Then we have this one here. That one is this part. This one is the tin. This is the cylinder. On this cylinder, only that this cylinder I managed to remove the top one, but I cannot also remove the bottom one, so to form this part and this and this. So this one is a net of a cylinder. So the activity has been already set to you. Please, I just advise to do the work and you send it back for marking. Thank you for attending the lesson.